Introduction to power cores. This short power cable for the chiller. This long power cable for the UV laser marking machine. This is the power cable for the laser. This is the power cable for the galvo scanner. This is the water flow signal line for the chiller. This US cable is used to connect the UV laser mesh into a computer or laptop. This is a foot pedal, which can be pressed by hand and foot for automatic marking of the laser. Two hose is used to flow water into the laser to cool it down. Thanks for listening.